Alright, the premiere for real. Yeah, dukomeza na freakishi. Episode ya kane. Aracha the premiere for real. Bila heredai. Kwa tsamu kwa Mary. Nawe yahindutse. Bila heredai. Ya nyuma ya Chris izina kipa dutangira. Hatagira ucikwa. Skia. Nakubwiye iracyari GT Business Group ikugezaho hamwe na Sankara. Izi filime n'ubuntu aho wazisanga n'ahandi andika wa eshatu akadomo igiti akadomo neti the free movie trip for real. Right. Skia Kizito pasi. Right. Right. Soba. Showtime. Kumana nanje ndakumasa Chuck Resizi. Okay. Right. Soba. Hey. Right. Soba. Chuck Resizi. Right.
Gahunda mfite no munsi nuguta.
Gahunda no gutarama.
Sindi bwite kubijanye n'amasaha.
Okay. Skia.
Barajaye no.
Ati barajaye nkunda. Okay.
Senajaye wanya.
Najaye wanyansi.
Biga wingo.
Wingora.
Kuchikuna mu bizango.
Bizangora.
Zakudigidan.
Zakudigida paka.
Kudigidan.
Zakudigida. Wingora. Chuck Resizi.
Kata sanje zirushiza Jackie ikigusetsa cyose kirangurura.
Right.
Sinshaka kubazo.
Sinda cyane.
Tuchezuni.
Nakubwira cyane Sankara ba premier umba. Dutanya episode ya kane ya freakishi. Let's go. Anusaze. Kumana nanje. Nakunyukagura nakumasa. Let's go Rosie. Soba. Hey. Right. Ira charity business group. Dukomeza turya show. Hatagira ucika. Kumana nanje. Ndakumasa. Ndakubwira cyane the premiere for real. Hey, take it. Turya show. Sinda cyane. Zakudigida. Ushaka umupenzi rya kabutura.
Previously on Freakish.
Chamate kuri freakishi.
I got bit.
Ati nariwe.
Keyword.
Twabonye amusore bunyanza navugira ku cyombo. Bamubwanga ijambo ry'ibanga.
Flashpoint Zulu.
Akavuga flashpoint Zulu.
Welcome back.
Urakaza neza Zulu.
Grover will do anything he can to save her. That's
Aturi amusore Grover yakora ibyo ashoboye byose yarebe ko atabara mushiki we.
exactly why we can't trust
Ni nayo mpamvu imwe itatuma tumwizera. Twabonye umukobwa yenduka Mary nawe yenduka zombie. Mugeze tugaruka hakuno.
My battery is almost out, so
Ati mu battery ngiye gushira muriro.
I'm making this message for
Ndimo ndashaka gufata ubutumwa.
Mom and Papa and
Mbufatiye mama na papa. Wa mukobwa utwite
Nini.
hamwe na Nini.
If you find this first, what you always do.
Ati ndabizi ko ni umuntu ubutumwa cyamere mugomba gukora.
It's been 2 days.
Ati aciye iminsi ibiri.
We're still trapped in the school.
Ati twese twarafungiranywe mu kigo.
There's no sign of help.
Nta kimenyetso na kimwe cy'ubufasha buvuye hanze.
We don't know who's out there. We haven't made
Ntago tuzano hanze niba arinde.
contact with anyone yet.
Nta n'umuntu turakominikana nawe.
We're doing our best, but
turimo turakora uko dushoboye.
I don't know how long we can last.
Ntago tuzi birafata igihe kingana iki.
Dad,
Papa,
I wish we spent more time together.
ndakifuje kuba namarana ikindi gihe nawe turi kumwe twishimye.
Some of that was on me.
Ati we yakabaye ngiye nkwishimiye.
Mom,
Hamwe na mama twishimanye.
what can I say?
Ese navuga iki kindi?
Guess I'm just a disappointment.
Usibye ko nabereye igihombo. Rangije.
Failed diet,
Ati kurya byarananiye.
first election loss,
Nabaye no gutsindwa amatora.
first teen pregnancy.
Nijye mwana utwaye na n'uruhinja. Fata ka video.
I just thought you should know.
Gose numvaga mwakwiye kubimenya. Nuko twitanye episode ya 4 by Se Freakish. Nakubwira cyane da Premier for real. Bwatinze. Hakuno sasa buriya muri isera nabazi kwiyakira nubwo benshi bavuga ko batuzuye. Nudo n'umundi arabizi katari busoge yifatira baro ya basket zakuno.
Are you insane?
Hasi mwana wasaze.
Crazy, man.
Mane abo ndimo nasara birenze.
Just ain't normal.
Ntabwo nyene rwose kumera neza.
You shooting bricks. Look pretty normal.
Uri majugunya amatafari.
Really?
Reko bikeka se.
Come on, one time.
Ngwera dukina ka basket barankwemeza.
I'm about to break your ankles.
Bina mwana nkosore. Fata kuno baro.
You'll never beat me.
Kana namusije dutsinda bro.
Never in your life.
Buzima bwawe bwose nigeze dutsinda. Ndani muri pani. Sasa uyu nawe hakuno. Ni wa musore Grover Jones ko yakaje. Aho yasize mushike Mary. Ageza yaciye kare ibyo wari wamwambiriyeho. Naryo nirabo kumbe mushikiwe. Ndamwataka. Saza na filme. Mary ataka Grover. Tayari. Baraga sereka turaye. Chaka kumuruma. Dai na musaza we. Gicupa ku mutwe. Danyabyo. Muteri shoti. Agwa hanze y'icyumba. Arangije guma mukumbi ndana musaza musora muri sare. Reba filme. Dore warabonaga muri sare. Mushiki warangije. Mary.
It's me. It's
Nijawe ni Grover.
your brother.
Ni musaza wawe.
Mary, please.
Mary ndakwinginze. Akiraho yumva bandi. Saza umusore amusoye mukumba, amushyira hanze yakumba. Mushiki aratangira. Mwana nyagatani. Arakurikira. Abebere muri basket. Utamporeza amasaha. Ayara depose.
In his luck.
Mayu abantu batangiye.
What you
Mwana tuwarane mwisa.
Gotta go check on Zoe.
Mwana ngiye kuna basheri wanje Zoe.
love's not good enough for you?
Urwo rukundo murimo namwe muracyuje. Kumbe. Uyu ni kibari marashaka mushiki we. Urebe. Komeza hakuno. Kumbe.
Shit.
Uretse.
Grover,
Ka Violet.
I thought you were that.
Narizi kuri hakurya.
What was that?
Cyo cyane numvise cyari giki.
It was Mary.
Yari Mary.
She's turned.
Mary yahindutse. Ngwino hakuno nguri merekeza.
Seconds left in the game.
Maniga na hakuno. Ari kumari rebound.
Little.
Ari marivugisha.
For the title. Can it be?
Tayari basket byaranze. Manigaje gutampurizana amasaha. Ntago bivamo. Tayari. Yitonze. Akuramo inkweto. Tayari. Kumbe do. Kumbe. Hano arusha kugiporezo Mary. Hey.
Everyone grab a weapon.
Sasa ni bwatinze Maniga araje bose atambura uko byagenze. Buri umwe atanya gufata intwaro.
Right up 2 flights down.
None se babiri bajya abandi bajya hasi.
She could be anywhere.
Yaba ari ahantu ariho hose. Fatanu mushyosha.
All right, well, that's 7. We're missing one.
Turi barindwi ara umuntu umwe ubura.
Noodle.
Uwo ni Nudo ari muri gym.
Yeah, go.
Ntago abizi.
Never mind.
Zoe mukurikirane.
Natalie.
Dizo Natalie
Second floor.
kuri floor ya kabiri.
Come on.
Tugende. Natalie no undi twite.
Mary.
Mary.
Mary, everything is gonna be okay.
Rwose Mary humura ibintu byose biragenda neza. Aba hakuno.
I can't do this.
Ntago nabikora Natalie.
I have a baby in here. I'm like, what?
Tumwana unda rwose nawe nakomeza kugenda natarana rya.
So why was it a mistake?
Aza ko bijya gutwita byaragutunguye. Tuza rero.
Baby, you said it was a mistake, right?
Wambwiye ko gutwita byabaye kubyara ikosa.
What's the mistake?
Ase kubyara umwana ni ikosa.
So who's the guy?
Hawo ni ndaguteye inda.
Does it matter?
Sibyo birakureba wowe.
No?
Cyangwa nagumuzi.
No.
Oya.
I'm total slut. Yeah.
Hano nanyita ko nwamira wahoga bigurisha.
Of course I know.
Kuko nanjye ndabizi ko nubusi ndumu Atina ndo nabizi n'umunyabuntu nta muntu nahereza rwose.
This model you went in Philly, I was down
Ati
there.
rwose twahuriye muri Philadelphia akora muri UN.
So what do you say about the baby?
Hano umugabo yavuze iki kumwana utwite.
He doesn't know.
Ntago abizi ko ntwite.
You didn't even tell him?
Ntago amubwiye.
Going with this.
Ibyo se wabimbariza iki? Kumbe kimufunyana mu cyumba. Mugenzi cyadizo nubwo ari urusazi. Kugira umutima mwiza. Nta mbaraga ufite zijya guhiga zombi guma maho.
Can't do this.
Ntago wabishobora guma maho indani. Kiramufungirana. Ntago umutekano wizeye gumamo indani. Yitonze.
Looks clear.
Hano nta kibazo arasa neza.
You can't trust Grover.
Hewe ntago Grover umuntu yamwizera. Ntago yamwizera ukundi.
He cares too much.
Yewe yita ku bantu cyane uriya musore.
Isn't that why we should trust him?
Ariko ntago yari mpamvu yatuma tutamwizera.
Don't go bleeding hard on me.
Nawe wibizanamo amasantima wane.
You don't know me.
Ayo manzi utananzi wowe.
I know enough.
Ibyo nzi birahagije kuri wowe.
Don't worry.
Hano by'ikibazo.
Saints.
Kuko twese ntabwo turi abatagatifu.
And what is that supposed to mean?
None ushatse kuvuga iki? Bagiraho.
Okay.
Uretse
Stay close.
umimanda yanjye.
Who's saving who?
Ninde utabara undi sura ntabara nagutabara.
Whom?
Habwo ninde utabara.
Saving whom?
Ninde utabara. Ande bitabara. Hey! Ndani. Sinzi. Bravo.
Sorry, I didn't know it was you guys.
Mama ntabwo nasigara mwebwe.
Any sign of her?
Wabara wamubonye?
No.
Wapi?
Cafeteria is clear.
Cafeteria nta kintu kiriyo.
I'll take this floor.
Saka nje kunye kufata iyi floor. Ntabwo turajya hejuru ku mesikariye. Sasa hakunino. Zizana maniga na Zoe.
Are you insane? Shut
Wewe mucece kare.
There's two of us. We have an advantage.
Dushaka advantage nitwa babiri. No, what's this shit?
handing out menus.
Look, you gotta relax.
Asa watuje mada.
Okay?
That was not nothing.
Ndio mwana ngarajo. Zoe.
We don't have time.
Naje dufite.
You got this.
Kandi ugomba kukuranyumva.
Come on, grab my hand.
Samfata ikiganza humura. Tugende. Arangije. Yitonze. Kugera aha. Hana bavuye muri gym aho bambarira. Bomano. Babona. Ingofero ya maniga hasi. Babona. Hana ibiganza amaraso. Bisa nkaho hano kaloka kacitsa ko bafubikamo imyenda muri make maniga komeza imbere. Sean Sharaciya he uyu nawe nuko karangije kwakomeza sinzi ariko kube kureba neza Mary ari kuri kanudo bipfuye bihubujamo aiwe narangije Mary nawe afite barasa shusha ni mu rwonyonyo Mary hoya Mary ahindutse Shani sheri mana we hamagara Shani manigace hey Shani mana we tangira zamuka kuno kuri bwa loka hejuru suri ku mukobwa nasangwa na bara parika nawe hakuno mana we rangije kwambukiranya vuba vuba data we barakubitana ndakubitana gute bigenze bite bari hangariya nodo yabuze inshuti magara shane tugomba tugenda bazobe baratangira bakirara bamara sasa shane surika ku ruhande mushiraza tigana cyambati kiwe natangira genda kujya hapa atambuka bafunga bamufungira na mindani adasi nta kindi cyabaye bakina biroko kureba ko bava ngaho sasa hakuno maniga nawe hachingai sasa
What exactly do you know about me?
asu niki unziho gifatika
I'd like to die with a clean conscience.
ati nkunda gupfa rwose mfite roho ituje.
Good luck with that.
Sawa, felicitation.
Files about us.
Twese dufite files tuvugaho.
Files?
Warebye ibyandiko byanjye se? Uko bakaje na shani? Tata we.
Does she get you anywhere?
Ntabwo yakomerekeje oya simbizi.
You haven't yet need.
Reba nawe nakurumye oya simbizi. Nodo. Shibuka mu nshuti. Nshuti yanjye mani yo. Oyapfuje inshuti magara.
Please stop talking. Will you just tell me what you...
Teka wivuga byinshi.
We've all done things we shouldn't.
Batwese twakoze ibyo tugomba gukora.
Sometimes they should land us in jail.
Biba byago bana dufunga.
Lucky you, thief.
Ntabwo uri umunyabaga uri umujura.
You found out it's not what you think.
Ibyo avumbuye nagaribyo ukeka sibyo.
You feel guilty.
Uri kumana wishinja icyaha se.
I get that.
Byo ndabyumva.
Your nagging conscience is embedded deep in your brain and your
Ibyo kwihagarara bigume ndani muri wowe ubundi urumva utuze.
love of God.
Asigaye urukundo rw'Imana. Avayo maniga. Azu yaje yababaye.
Mary still lose me tried.
Umva twagerageje Maria tukamuvunya ariko ndo yapfuye. Hehe.
I think the gym lockers 3 minutes ago.
Minota teciyo tumfanya muri gym locker.
Shit, where's Grover?
Nawe se Grover ari musaza we. Kombe do musaza w'umukobwa. Kugera aha. Mary. Sasu you. Nagazwe mu cyata kiri mushikiwe. Yabaye kindi. Nagasi gisongo. Tayari maniga aratangira. Mutisho zakabeje. Tayari. Fatiraho. Maniga zayirukanka. Amufata wande kura. Agije. Manuka mo hakuni ndani hasi. Yitonze. Agije. Munaga mindani. Maniga arasoka mufunyana mindani. Tayari. Kiraka gufuri. Okugira abandi bashire. Mufunyana habwe nyine. This Grover ahamagara nabandi.
Let's consider the calculus.
Calculus?
Asubira yirangira biti.
That thing killed a noodle.
Kiriya kintu kishe nodo.
Ripped him up and it drank his blood. It has
Rwose yamukwema ibyo mu nda ariko maramunga
to
amaraso.
die.
Natazigomba gupfa.
Do it. Move.
Nabikora kaza muhitane.
Not killing her.
Ntago akwica mushiki wanjye.
That is my sister in there.
Uyu ni mushiki wanjye bari ndani. Icyo kintu
It killed my best friend.
inshuti yanjye magara.
Thing is Mary
Iki
Jones.
cyo wita ikintu ni Mary Jones. Ni mushiki wanjye.
She loves Harry Potter
Akunda Harry Potter.
and she's afraid of heights. And
Atinya n'ahantu
I
harehare.
swear to you, she's still in there somewhere.
Ndabizi ko indani muri aracyari mu mushiki wanjye.
Bro, look at her. She's
Maze umurebe.
suffering.
Mushiki arimo arababara.
If for all we know, she could get better, right?
Ariko twese turabizi ashobora kuba yakira.
They all could get better.
I'm not
Ndabizi n'abandi
about
bakira.
to find out.
Ariko ntabwo turamenya umuti.
Grover has a point. We know
Grover afite ingingo.
very little about this disease.
Iyi ndwara nta kintu tuyiziho gihambaye.
If we keep this thing alive,
Ikintu tukikomeje ari kizima.
we can learn how to defend ourselves.
Yatuma tumenya uburyo twakwirinda.
Don't listen to him.
Data ni mwumva ibyo avuga.
Okay, yeah, sure, kill it. You know,
Search
let's
it.
find another one later.
Ntego undi atari buhinduka.
Hard can that be?
Turebe ko biri bumere.
You lied to us again.
Wongeye we kutubeshya.
I'm gonna kill you both.
Ndabica mwembi. Kamera yabeshye kari ufite kamera yakumbe arwanaga no kuvura mushiki we. Kumbe dore hanze ikirere. Cyahindutse. Sasa maniga. Dore ngaraza kicara hakuno. Nakwiheba niki? mushike mugenzi umwe rutoki babanaga ari ebyiri nawe yahindutse ntabwo byoroshye byagenda yibuka akiri muzima mugenzi ari umukobwa muto mwiza ariko aho iminsi ibera imitindi cyane ko n'ibyago bidateguza bisanze mu kigo hanze hangiritse nako ntabyo nsubiramo ntacyo mutazi ka Violet mugenzi nako kavayo yewe
How you holding up?
yehora murabyitwaramo uti
I've been better.
yewe nari imbere neza tukurushaho
This whole thing's my fault.
ibintu byose ni amakosa yanjye
Trust me,
nyizera
it's not.
ntago ari amakosa yawe
I couldn't protect her.
byananiye kuba narinda mushiki wanjye
Stop beating yourself up.
ati wikwibabaza unishinja amakosa
You did everything you could.
nawe wakoze ibyo warushoboye nk'umuntu
Do you really believe that?
ese uko urabyizera nakoze ibyo narishoboye nkanjye nk'umuntu
Yeah.
cyane warwanye intambara yawe warushoboye ariko mu rugamba ariko bimera
Do you think she'll ever come back?
ese urakeka azagaruka basi azongera agasubira ibuntu denze nk'umuntu w'imbazo uramukomeza ntabwo wamuca intege umuha icyizere dobori byakunda kumbe wa musore wawe udora ku cyombo gainasi yaje hakuna ari wenyine wibuka uyu musore nawe yari ku cyombo hari abandi bavugana nawe tutazi ni bande rangije sana hakuno bya bindi bitwika ndagocama hey haciye ingahe
Flashpoint Zulu.
aza hakuno flashpoint
Who
zuru
are you talking to?
yewe urimo avugana nande yamusanze atangiye kuvugira ku cyombo yewe
Myself.
nemo ndivugisha
Lose my mind.
bumva ntangiye gucanganyikirwa no gushyira mu mutwe
I came in here to say thanks.
narinjije gushimira
You did the right thing, keeping her alive.
ati rwose wafashe umwanzuro muzima wanakoze ikintu cyiza cyo kuguma uriya mukobwa ari muzima kumugumisha ari muzima
You mean the most useful thing. And
waravuga ko nakoze ikintu cy'ingenzi
you're not here to thank me.
ndabizi ntabwo uje no kunshimira
It's amazing what you can learn with a few hours of static and
ati biratunguranye ukuntu wiyumvaga mu masaha ashize none ukaba utangiye gucisha make utangiye no kumenya gushima
nothing but student files.
kubera ko nakubwiye ko nasomye ku byandiko bya hahise hari usanga mu kigo cy'ishuri bafite files z'umuntu avuga ati uyu muntu yitwara gutya aritonda n'umuhanga ankura umogi ibintu nk'ibyo files zawe zose sazaga bagasoma file niyo mpamvu gafite ubwoba kaje kumwivugishaho do akira
So I stole. Big whoop.
warabyibye
Chemicals.
ibintu bya shimi by'ibikemicals ugenda uvanga
Kind you make soap and candles with.
usanga wamenya kuba wakora amasabune za buje
Rust and aluminum powder.
uramutse ufashe umugesi ukavanga na aluminium powder
For ceramics.
ibyo twabikoraga ari nko kwiga
It was a glaze.
byari ibintu byoroheje
Very combustible glaze.
ariko ushaka kuba byabyara ikindi kintu kibi cyane
Burns right through metal. What type
ariko ibintu gukora bishaka kuba byatwika na ferabeto
of art are you doing?
ariko se ubundi ibintu by'ubuhanga wakoraga by'ubugeni bya art byari biki
May I take a stab? I think you used the chemicals to make a thermite bomb.
ariko bisa nkaho wafashe produit chimique ugakora thermite bomb igisasu cy'ubwoko bwa thermite
Doesn't prove anything.
none se ibyo hari icyo bigaragaza
Not on its own.
ni ibisanzwe
However, only a few days after you stole the chemicals,
ariko cyane ko mu minsi ishize hari chemicals wibye muri laboratoire
there's a catastrophic fire at the chemical plant.
ibyo nkeka yuko bishobora byarabyaye ibara kuri chemical plant
Quite the coincidence.
nibyo biri kunira amatsiko
And what are you suggesting?
none uratekereza iki urapanga iki
Nothing.
ntacyo
Only that you might have been responsible for the entire disaster.
bisa nkaho ibi byose byabaye ari hano kugira ngo hashye hari igisasu kiri chemical wari murakora
Bite me.
sawa none ugira icyo ubikoraho ndebe
Sister Bear, maybe one day you'll tell me yours.
sawa komeza ariko ndakeka umunsi umwe hari icyo uzambwira gifatika
You tricked me.
Yeah, what should I have done?
You could.
yewe ntuzongere kumbeshya ubutaha wibuka yamuvunyaye mu cyumba natari
Hey, there's a freak on the loose, and I'm doing this for your own good.
yewe ntukambeshye ngo ibintu nabikora kubw'inyungu zanjye ariko nabizi ko ari inyungu zawe
Yeah, okay, like that would have worked.
ariko wenda byagenze neza wibuka yagiye amufungirana natari mu cyumba
Don't you?
ntawe ugiye kuryama se atabwo ntanankangura
Well, for me, a bed needs to be made.
Yeah, but you're about to pull up the blanket.
Atagomba gufata ikintu cyaba ry'uyorosa kujya ku gisasa. Icyamaniga mugeze ni cya Dizo. Ni yabitindaho hari iryamire. Yitonze. Sasu uyu nawe bwatinze arabona mushiki we arimo araca mu buribwe bw'ikirenga. Ageze gutya abona bya binazi bitwika cyenda kumena bomboni gashike rangije menya ko byanga byakunda hari uwaje gutwika mushiki warangije avaye n'uburakari ziza nazaza Grover.
What did you do to her? Right now, what you've done. He's torturing my sister. Okay, I am studying her.
Don't lie to me. Studying her.
Burnt her? It was just a test. It turns out I was right. They're afraid of fire. So now we have a weapon against freaks. Your sister alive. So we could survive. Show of hands. Who thinks I'm doing the right thing?
Doing the right thing would have been killing her.
Violet wagaza kuri ruhande. Urabitorera cyangwa?
What are you waiting for?
Tegereje iki? Yabizanamo santima.
Violet, she's still my sister.
No wonder Violet atari mushiki wanjye.
Being.
Aracyari kiremwa muntu.
That's the greatest good for the greatest number.
Fata umwanzuro muzima mwiza kubw'umubare nyamwinshi.
What is most useful?
Kandi nicyo kintu cy'ingenzi.
Violet.
I can't do this.
Ntabwo nabikora.
We all have our crosses to bear.
Twese dufite imirongo tujya turenga ariko kubw'inyungu zacu. Violet,
raise your hand.
Zamura ikiganza dukomeze tumwigeho. Violet. Nafata umwanzuro. Seka tubere sampa nk'iyo muri laboratoire. Mabare Grover. Tubukore ubushakashatsi. Turebe icyavana izo zombi niki. Maniga yaje hakuno umwe. Jens ka Violet kavayo. Muri refectoire aho bajya barira.
How could you side with that asshole?
Niguto wagiye ku ruhande rw'uriya musenzi.
Barrett has a point.
Barrett ariko ibyavugaga yari ingingo ifatika.
The more we know about how this disease works,
uko dukomeza kumenya ko indwara imeze, ntabwo tubyumva. Ntabwo nabisobanukiwe.
My sister's in a cage.
Mushiki wanjye afunyanyara muri cage.
What is she, some sort of animal?
Ese basi ni inyamaswa murabona yahindutse cyane.
Yesterday she was playing Tchaikovsky.
Ejo yari marakira rwose akari agacurangisho kari maracuranga.
Today she killed Noodle.
Ubwo nubwo yakicurangaga ariko uyu munsi yishe Noodle mugenzi wacu. Nabyo ntugibagirwe. Ikirengagiza ibyo yakoze. Uzane santima ngo yacuranga neza.
You have a brother.
Ese waba ufite musaza wawe?
What would you do for him?
Ese wamukorera iki? Kiri mu mwanya wanjye.
He was so far gone to the point.
Ati nawe yarengereye ameze kuri ameze nabi.
I couldn't even recognize him.
Kuburyo nagera ku rwego rwo kureba isura y'isi menye kari we.
I don't know.
Since icyo nakora.
You were me in that cage.
None si yabare gifunyanye mari.
Suffering.
Ndimo ndababara nca mu buribwe.
I know what I'd want.
Nzi icyo ushaka. Yitonze. Arahaguruka maniga. Hakuno. Umukobwa ari Mary. Ziza na musaza we. Mugenzi. Zana igisongo. Rangije. Ashira ku ijosi. Nabanza sankurira ya nyuma. Aho kugira ngo abandi baza kubigenderamo. Mbabarire Mary. Zamura. ndakeka niyo ari uko igenze abajye mwakoze kuza murabeho nimuze guti kuzikurikira aracyari Sankara da Premier wumva ndabakunda cyane cyane hasta la vista.